Game Rangers, very excited because I've just launched my new social media safety workshop. It's called Game On, Game Over, and we know for students, teachers, for parents today, one of the big issues they have is social media addiction. And only the other day, I'm working with a class of 6th years and I asked them, what is your number one challenge right now? And they all said their number one challenge, their number one is their phone. Being able to sit down for half an hour, an hour, or 2 hours without being interrupted. And for them, their biggest challenge is Facebook, it's Instagram, it's Snapchat. And when I asked them how long, on average, they spend on their phone per day, most students are 3 to 4 hours. That's 30 hours a week. That's over 100 hours a month. And this is having a huge impact on young people and also on society in general. So what the young people need, what we all need today is education. We need tools to help us take our attention back, because the number one asset that you have today is your attention, where to focus your attention. And that's what Game On, Game Over is all about. I show you how to literally snap back your attention so you can focus on your work. And in this program, and again, I'm really excited about it, the feedback has been amazing. We look at at how good social media is. So we look at all the positives, but then we look at the dangers, and we go into cyberbullying, sexting. We look at online addictions such as porn addiction and shopping addiction. Gambling addiction is a big issue now for young people too. And the negative side effects then are loneliness and depression and social anxiety, and young people today are struggling with communicating. And then I show them how literally to take their attention back. So we snap it back, and I give them some excellent tools to be able to control themselves and be able to literally change the game when it comes to studying, change the game when it comes to controlling your focus. And then we look at the power principles, which is a set of rules of the road, if you will, a set of guiding principles to help your students know what to post, or more importantly, what not to post when it comes to social media. So Game On, Game Over, it's a 2.5-hour workshop. It's high energy, it's entertaining, it's educational, the students love it, and this will fill your need. If you want a really impactful seminar for your Wellbeing Week, if you want a seminar or workshop to help your parents know what to do when it comes to social media, then Game On, Game Over could be just what you are looking for. So, if you like this video, click a like. If you want me to come to your school, I would love to work with you. Go to raylangan.com. And remember guys, day by day, we are raising the game.